This whitening facial toner clears up your sunburn. It clears off dark spots away from your face. It evens out your skin tone. It firms and lifts sagging face. It also helps wrinkled face. It's very hydrating, and it also balances the pH level of your skin. And this is how you use your whitening facial toner. You give it a shake, you grab a cotton wool, then you spray some onto the cotton wool, and then you dab on your face. Yeah, you dab them on your face. This also helps for redness of the face. For you to have redness on your face, you know, most times when sunburn is in the making, actually it starts with redness on the face, because if you don't take care of that redness, it results to sunburn. So for you to take care of that redness, this whitening facial toner is very okay for you. This is 100% herbal whitening facial toner. So if you want to watch how I made this whitening facial toner, then watch this video to the end, because you're gonna learn how you can make your whitening facial toner yourself at home, or you can even make this for sale. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty, where you look beautiful using the herbs around you, where you look beautiful using organic skincare products, where you look beautiful by learning how to make your own skincare products yourself. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all my viewers. I'm really grateful, guys, like serious. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. So guys, I bought this camera 3 days ago, but I noticed I couldn't use it. I couldn't even film with this camera. Come and buy this camera from me, please. Help your sister. I need this money so that I'm able to buy better phone. I'm not here to talk about the brand, but I'm just showing you guys that if you're interested in this, please just come and buy it off from me. So send me WhatsApp message on the number you're seeing up here, guys. I need to sell this, like seriously. I can't use it. I'm not used to it. I don't even understand the setting. Probably you may know how to use it, but I don't know how to use it. I'm very used to my phone. I film with my phone, I edit with my phone, I do everything on my phone, and it's so easy with me. Please come and buy this and help your sister. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go into the video. So for our whitening face toner, so we're using our rose petals for our facial whitening toner. We all know that rose is good for skin firming, skin toning, anti-aging. It firms up. It's also good for anti-wrinkles. Yes, it's very good for wrinkles. Next, we'll be needing our chamomile. This is our chamomile board. This is how our chamomile look like. So chamomile is very good for skin soothing. It soothes and calms skin irritations. Probably you're having rashes, you are having minor irritations on your face. This will help to calm and soothe it. So our chamomile is going into our cleanser. Then third, we will be using our sandalwood powder. Here's our sandalwood powder. So here's our sandalwood powder. I'll be adding a little of my sandalwood powder into this facial toner. Next, I'll be using my preservative. So last, I'll be using my Arbutin powder. Here is my alpha Arbutin powder. Then I'll be needing my bowl. This is the bowl which I'll be using to boil all these herbs. This is a facial toner, so you have to be very careful, and you have to be very neat when you're making your facial toner. So first on my list, I'll be adding my chamomile herb.
I'm using 2 grams of my herbs. I'm not doing much, just doing an illustration video. Next, I'll be needing my rose petals. Next, I'll be adding in my rose petals. 2 grams of my rose petals. So next, I'm adding in my sandalwood powder. One gram of my sandalwood powder. So I'm adding in 150 ml of my water. So here is my herbs. I will boil this herb. I'm gonna bring it to boiling so that it will boil. So here is the boiled herbs. Our boiled chamomile, rose petals, and sandalwood powder. So next thing is for us to filter out our herbs. So here is the toner. I filtered out the herbs. So here is the water that came out of it. So this is our facial toner. Right now, without adding our whitening powder, we can actually use this as a soothing or wrinkle facial toner, because this toner will actually help wrinkled skin. It will help irritated skin, like someone having a skin irritation, rashes or pimples. It will also work for it. It will help to balance the pH level of the skin. Yes, because that is the main thing why you need toner, to balance the pH level of the skin. So but I want to make this a whitening facial toner. So I'll be measuring out my Arbutin powder. So here is 3.5 grams of our Arbutin powder. So I don't want to pour in my Arbutin powder right away, because this is actually a little bit hot. The temperature is still high. This actually smells nice, like chamomile smells very nice, even rose petals. So I'll be checking the temperature now. That is 129 OF. So I'll be adding in my Arbutin powder when it's at least 120 OF or 100 OF, but I really prefer adding my Arbutin powder when it's on 100 OF, at least, as at then it's not that hot anymore. It's not too hot, because when you pour in most of these lightening powders into any hot content, it tends to weaken the effectiveness of the powder. It's just like when you pour in your kojic acid into a very hot content. Believe me, that kojic acid is as good as useless. So next I'll be adding in my Arbutin powder. So next I'll be taking the pH level of this, because this is a facial toner. You have to take the pH level. It's a facial toner. You have to check the pH level. You are leaving it on your skin. It has to be balanced. It has to be balanced. So I'm done checking the pH level of our facial toner, whitening facial toner. Next I will have to bottle this. Sorry, before I bottle, oh my god, I almost forgot my preservative. So I'll be adding in my preservative before I bottle this, so that my facial toner, my whitening facial toner, will not go bad. So I am adding 1 ml of my preservative. 1 ml. 1 ml of my preservative here. So I'm adding in my preservative. Next thing, I'll bottle this whitening face toner now. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you enjoy my videos, my tutorials for today, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you very much. Bye.